Ah, Christmas. It's magic.
Welcome to Magical Kingdom Christmas Paper Craft Tutorial. For this project, you will need to go to magicalkingdom.biz to print and download the template. Select an angel. Select a paper format by clicking on the button. Click on the angel's face to open, or upload a facial photo. Resize and place the photo into the correct area. Now print out the two templates separately. To do this project, you need to prepare a cutting mat, a craft knife, a pair of scissors, a stick of glue, a roll of sellotape, and a length of cotton. Now use the scissors and scalpel to cut out the templates. There are 5 pieces altogether. Fold the base cone tab inward. Now cut a piece of sellotape and stick the cotton loop on the reverse side of the base cone. Apply glue on the white tab of the base cone piece. Stick the tab onto the opposite side to form a cone. Apply glue on the white tab of the middle cone piece. Stick it on the opposite side to form a cone. Now put it on top of the base cone. Apply glue on the white tab of the top piece and stick it onto the opposite side to form the upper cone. Now put it on the top of the middle cone. Now attach the wings to the back of the top of the body. Fold the tab of the wings piece halfway forward. Apply glue, and stick on the inside back of the top cone behind the angel head. Put the top cone back onto the middle cone. Finally, put the arms on the top of the body. Apply glue on the upper parts of the arm piece. Stick them onto the shoulder areas of the upper cone. For more Health and Angel templates and Magical Kingdom Christmas craft and printable Christmas projects, visit magicalkingdom.biz.
Don't forget to subscribe.